All right, what's next? Tell me what's next.
This will be a little bit more.
A little bit more? Fall for the thickness of this. So this bolt right here is just spinning to loosen it, tighten it, loosen it, tighten it, loosen it, tighten it. We didn't do that. It's stripped up here, so more likely I'm gonna have to cut this one off, find a stud that size, and then epoxy it in there. This one I can get loose. This one over here I just did. So I took this one all the way off, and what I did, put transmission fluid on it. I loosened it, I tightened it. I loosened it, I tightened it. I let it cool off. Because I don't want what happened over there, because now I gotta do a bunch of work to fix that one. It's just fiberglass holding these in. So loosen, tighten, until you can feel that it's gonna come off. Before I put it back together, I'm gonna spray these threads. Loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten. And I think it was this one. All right, I'll admit I did something wrong. The bracket goes back here. From there's your hood bracket bolt right there. And then that one goes there. As you see, I got that one there. It doesn't go there, it goes right there. Remember, I still gotta fix that side. Here's a little tip or trick. Put this top one on first and slide it in. See them holes? Take your pin out, slide your hole through. It slides straight through. There's a hole on each side. Put it on. Put this one on first so you can see the hole, because when you swing it down, you ain't getting your fingers in there. And then this one, the hole's right there on this side you can get to. And it's as easy as that. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm done. Choppa, 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 choppa. He broke his chain again. This dog can jump. We have a 8-foot fence and he jumps it with no problem. Hey, sit, sit, paw. Good boy. So that's how you do it. Like I said, I gotta fix this side. I'm probably gonna cut it, put a new stud in, JB weld it in here or something. I'll fix it. That's how you install that. Pay attention to where they go. It doesn't go here. It goes back here on this one, because my hood was like way shut and I'm like, that's not right. I'd rather have a hood prop. So that's how you do it. When you bring the hood down, make sure that your alignment is right, that you don't scratch this when it comes down. After that, since you do loosen your fender bolts, loosen one at a time, since you don't really need to loosen that one. Watch your body gaps, check your hood gap, adjust your fender and hood as needed. Most likely you should just need to adjust your hood, because you don't really take any bolt out except the one down here. I showed you the trick with the clips to get them in. Don't try to push it on with the clips in them. See the clips in it, and you are not gonna get that thing at all. Just a problem. So loosen this one, take this one off, loosen this one, put it on without the clips, flip it up, put the clip in, flip it down, put the clip in, do the other side. When you're loosening these bolts, loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten. Transmission fluid, PV blaster, loosen, tighten. Do not do what we did, and now I have to fix this stud. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to get my hood aligned and everything. It's gonna be a whole ordeal now. But I'm Dustin. This has been Dustin's Customs. This is a Hood Strut install video. I wanna thank you for watching. Go ahead and check out my other videos. Check out my This Tool Is Cool, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, we're building this car. Eventually it'll be done. I'll talk to you later. Bye.